Hi again guys, back again with me Sashimi. Long time no see lah. How are you guys? I hope you fine, good and always healthy. So I wanna explain to you guys about GitHub Desktop. So from previous video there is some explanation about how to clone repository using GitHub. So why we don't come to the basic how to use GitHub. And in this video, I will explain to you with using GitHub Desktop. If you ask me why I'm use GitHub Desktop, because it's the most easy application to use, I think. Because they are UI, using UI best, not like using command line. So it will be very easy for you guys if you kind new in this programming things. Okay, first of all, what do you think you need? You can download GitHub Desktop. There is a link I will give in description below. You can open your browser and then you can just paste and see in here. You will come to GitHub Desktop installations. So you can just choose what operation system do you use. And for me, I'm using Windows. So I will download it. Okay, and you can save. Okay, it's done. Before we continue, make sure you already have a GitHub account. I think it's very easy to make GitHub account. So, okay, I just assume you have the GitHub account. Okay, so this is our installer. So you can just run the GitHub Desktop setup. There will be loading for a few seconds. Okay, like I said before, make sure you already have GitHub account and you already log in. What you need to do, you just simply sign in to github.com and then approve. There will be a configure the git. It's okay, just let it be default. And then boom. Okay, the installation is complete. For now, for practice, let's make a new repository to learn a few things about GitHub. First of all, let's make practice one. I think you already know how to make GitHub. I'm sorry, I mean repository. Because what are you doing? Come here if you don't know. Okay, next, it's okay, just let it default because we just want to do some practice. And then what will help you, because there will be a button in here, you can just click and they need confirmations, open GitHub Desktop and boom, it's already complete. You can just clone. Okay, that's how to clone a repository. I will give you some example how to cloning exists. There will be some repository that already make. So how to clone, you can just simply click this green button and then there will be open with GitHub Desktop. So the GitHub already give you a very simple way to clone using this GitHub Desktop applications. Okay, that's very easy, right, to clone. Okay, next we will learn about commit. We will back to our practice repository. We will make a new file, so that is the things that we will push. So let's just use a notepad, I think, for practice. Practice. This is, oh, okay. Example. Okay, I think it's better. Oh, okay. Okay, whatever, it's okay. And then, lol. So we just need a change in here. So if you see in GitHub Desktop, you already see there is a change in GitHub, but it's okay. You can see it's more in here. That's why I prefer use this GitHub Desktop. It's more powerful, I think. Okay, and then what we need to do, we can do commit. So you can just fill commit in here, like committing lol. Okay, it's okay. Just whatever you want that will your friend know about what are you commit. And then if this is your first time, it will be called publish branch, but next time it will be different. It will called push. So you already do the commit and the push. So you can see in the website to check if it already okay. You see, this is what we make before and it's done. That is how you commit and push with GitHub Desktop. Okay, next is I will give you the difference between using your new repository and old one. Okay, let's say you already make your first push and now you will do second push. It will be different button like I said before. Let's do a change. You save and you will see in application there is a new change detected. So you can just like commit. It's okay if you just like change one file. No, normally GitHub Desktop will generate it. So you can like commit. If not, you can just fill up the informations and you see there is a difference. They will say push origin. And then boom. It's okay. It's same like before. You can just see in here. Then okay, we already make our change and you can see in the commits there is our change and you can see okay, that is how to push your change on GitHub Desktop. Next, we will learn about pull. What the meaning of pull? Normally, people using this GitHub for doing collaborations, like more than one people, of course. So the problem is, let's say that I was your friend that joined your project and want to make a change. Okay, I will change from remote, I think, just like say I change from the website. You can like think that I'm changed from different device, it's okay. And then I will make a change. Let's say that I make a new lol 3. I just love lol, I'm sorry. Okay, and if we see in our GitHub Desktop, there is no difference, there is not update. Because what? Because you are not doing fetch origin. Okay, after make sure if you want to make a change or you gonna do a push, before you do that, make sure you fetch origin. Because what if you want to make a change and you forget to pull origin, it will be sometimes a conflict. Sometimes, but it's not every time, I think. Okay, so what you need to do, you see that there a new change, you need to pull from the server to your local, so you can just click pull origin. And you can see in your file that's a new change, it's already updated. Okay, that's how to pull, that's how to work. I will send to you and I will let's say I will do the things that I'm in conflict. Okay, I make a change in server and then I will make a change in my local too. In the server I make lol4 and in my local I will make lol5, I think lol5. Okay, and save. So you see I make a change and it's okay. I can like normally I comment and post, but you will see something in here. Okay, that's what desktop is unable to post commits because it's not present on your local branch. It means in our local is not the newest one. So what you need to do normally, you can just like, yeah, you fetch me in other language draft, so it's okay. And they just directly to pull origin first. And then you can see there is the conflict, I say. Normally, if you are like in code or in a project, you can just like choose or merge or whatever. You just see which one do you like or you wanna like combine. It's okay, it's up to you. Okay, you can open in Visual Studio Code to see and like fix that. In here you can, this is your current change, it means what you change in your local, and this one is the incoming change it from the server. I call it server, but it means the remote one. Okay, so you can just like do some things like this. Okay, there is my change. Okay, I will merge like this. Lol for you need to delete this one, this one. Okay, and then you can just like repair what do you want. This is the manual ways, or there is other ways. If you're using Visual Studio Code, you can just like accept current change, or you can accept incoming change, or you can just like okay, accept both change. It's up to you. But you can like from here, from the GitHub Desktop, you can just like choose to what do you want, like you want to use from your main, your local, or you want to use from the server itself. It's up to you, but let's do I want to use accept both change from the Visual Studio Code. And then okay, if you already solved the conflict, you can continue to merge and then push origin. Okay, that's like the simple things if you face conflict, but I think if you do it in project, it will be more complicated. So I will explain to you what we will do normally if we in a project. Okay, like I said before, normally GitHub is used to collaborate with your friend or your work friend or whatever. So it means there is more than one people using a GitHub for one repository. Okay, there is a feature, I think it's called a branch. Normally, people don't use one branch because what? Because you can see before if you using one branch, at the same time you just like forget to pull, it's very hard because sometimes it will be conflict in there. So GitHub have branch to make you easier in collaborate with your friend. So how to make a new branch is so many ways, but I will explain to you with using this GitHub Desktop. So first of all, you can just come to here, current branch, and then you will see in here there is a button new branch. And then let's say I will use my name as a branch, so my friend like no, oh, this is Faiz branch. Okay, and what is the publish mean? Publish mean to make people see our brands. If you are not publish, so people can't see your brands. So you can just like publish brands, so people know, oh, there is a new brand. Okay, so what is the difference between main and Faiz? So main is have their own version, and Faiz they have their own version. So example that there is more than one people, so I will make a new branch that's let's call Sashimi. Sashimi and Faiz have their own brands. Okay, so I will give you an example how to work with brands. Let's say that I'm just do my code in here. I will make a change that I will add in here lol6 and say that at the same time me Asasimi. This is how you to change your brands. You can just like click current brands and change to other brands. Oh, sorry, I need to commit it first. Okay, commit and then I push. But at the same times, let's say that I was other people use other device and using a brand called Sashimi. I wanna make a new change. Let's say I make here. Make okay. I wanna make like lol like. You see from the Faiz brands, I add a new lol6 I think, but it's not comes to Sashimi brands because what? Because we have a different branch. Okay, I will commit it and I will push origin. Okay, sashimi have their own version, faiz have their own version, and then main is different. Wanna see? Okay, from now you see faiz in here. Sorry, I mean main in here. This is the condition of main. And faiz, you see there is a new lol 6. And sashimi, they have their own lol 8. Where is lol 7? Yeah, I don't know where. Okay, but what is the point? We wanna merge that. We wanna combine. We wanna make it to be one place, one main, one master, whatever you call it. So you can do a pull request. What is the meaning of pull request? You request to, yeah, normally there is like your friend or your senior. I wanna merge my chance to the main, because that is the point of making a project, right? So you create pull request, and then you see from your branch to main, you create a pull request, and then you can merge pull request if you already want to merge your chance from your branch to the main. You can confirm merge. So it means you are agree to merge. Normally, when you merge, it's not you. Normally, it will be your senior or your team leader. Because what? Because they need to like check what is your change. Okay. So now in the main, you see I already merged. So you see in main there is a lol aching there. Okay, but the things is the file is have the lol 6. We need to pull request again. Okay, you see there is can automatically merge. There is a conflict in there. Why we use pull request? Because it's more easier for us to face the conflict. So to resolve the conflict, we can just tap the button, and then you see there is a difference. It's like same from before. You can just like choose, oh, where I gonna place this lol 6. Oh, I wanna place lol 6 after lol 8. So you can just move, and then if you already done, don't forget to delete these things. And if you done, mark as resolve, commit merge. Okay, and then if it already done, you can merge pull request, confirm merge, and then you will see in the main, in here, you already merged from two branches into main. Okay, so there is a problem in here. The problem is in the main, you already see we have merged from the main, from the faiz and sashimi to the main. But when you come to faiz branch and you see your file, it's not updated. So what is you need to do is very simple. You can first of all don't forget to fetch origin, and then there will be notification. You need to pull origin, and then you will see in here it still not comes because what you need to update from the main. There is a two ways. You can just like choose this one to update from the main, or let's say that you want to update from other branch, you can compare to branch. But for me, we can choose update from main, and you see the change will come. You can just come to practice, and then you see the lolapan is full. And then if you wanna post origin to make your remote repositories update, you can just post like what I do before, and okay, you can continue your works. Okay guys, that's all. I hope this video can useful for you. If there anything that you wanna ask, you can use comment section. So I'm sorry for my broken English because I didn't prepare my script. I hope you always healthy, and goodbye.